Well, we have come to the end of the day. Moses Mapida Stadium. It is, of course, at Durban. It's a winning Ekakasini. That's why we've seen the Mamelodi Sundowns bowing out of the MTN8 and say congratulations to Stellenbosch FC for beating Ikambugu Mamelodi Sundowns by an odd goal to nil, making it to the final of the MTN8. It is their first MTN final, of course, and they will be playing against Ikambu, the Orlando Pirates on the 5th of October. Will Orlando Pirates win their third consecutive MTN8, or will Stellenbosch FC cause an upset only on the 5th of October? That's when we will know which Gabu Champagne when Yagage at 2024 when it comes to the MTN8. Nabagiteg, Chopin Footing Little, MTN8 when Yagaga 2024. No Maga Isoyega was in the Konka Final Guanzaga when Nambugale with African perspective. Just stay tuned. Sinaga will keep on giving you Wakaga updates. Kamalam, Tobago, Wagam Zumela, and this is the African perspective.